is Mr. Thomas Moy. This is the failed repair attempt when we pulled this piece of shingle for identification. Just going to kind of provide some video evidence of the very much issues we have with repairs here. So we got this a little unsealed here. I slightly manipulate it. And it immediately it tears. I mean, you can see the current condition of shingles. I mean, this is insanely brittle and just immediately tearing. You can see when I attempted to pull my shingle, just destroyed the shingles around it. I mean, look at this. There's absolutely no way to do spot repairs on this roof.